Welcome to Vicky Graphics, the channel where creativity meets artificial intelligence.
Here, I share simple, practical ways to create AI videos, AI avatars, faceless content, and smart digital designs, even if you're just starting out.
If you're interested in AI tools, content creation, and turning ideas into powerful visuals, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Let's get started.
So guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a fashion video for normally Tailors I always do it, or all this fashion designer. So let's get started. We are using two tools for this. We are using ChatGPT and we are using Pinterest for this. So let's get started. As this the Pinterest, you can download it from Play Store. So that is it. You download it. So you are going to be clicking it, and once you open it, so you are going to see a feature like this. Sometimes you can just search for mother and daughter fashion clothes style or something. Just search for it. Me, I've searched for it. That's what they're bringing for me. So I'm going to click on it. So after clicking on it, I will press these three dots that is at the back of, that is at the down of this image. So I'm going to be downloading it. So this is it again. As just this, you just press download image. So now we are going to be opening ChatGPT and we are going to be typing, give me the prompt of this image. So it has given you the prompt of this image. So this is the prompt I actually give you of the exact image. So I don't want it to be like that, so that it will not be like as if you are copying somebody's picture or something. So I'm going to write, make it in different clothes style for tailor. So it has given me different type. The one of jumpsuits, the one of Ashwebi and the likes. So it has given me. So I'm just going to copy one prompt actually. So I copied the one of book one, the rest. So I'm going to open it and be pasting. Okay, I will create this image. So I'll place the prompt at the back of it. It's still the same ChatGPT. You can install ChatGPT on your Play Store. So it's the same thing. So it's writing creating image. So I'm going to be waiting until this creates finish. So after this I've created, I'm going to click in on download or save image. So this is the image I firstly created, and you can see guys, this is so amazing. Like, you can just save this one for tailoring, for fashion, and you can, if you're a fashion designer, you can just record.
Thanks for watching this video on Vicky Graphic. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel.
More AI tutorials and creative content are coming your way. See you in the next video.